dive into the future of education with our upcoming online workshop, Transformative Integration of AI Tools in Education, on February 17, 2024. In this one-hour session, we embark on a journey to unlock the incredible potential of artificial intelligence, AI, in the classroom. AI is more than a buzzword. It's a game-changer for educators seeking to enrich their teaching practices and provide unparalleled learning experiences for students. Discover how AI tools can personalize instruction, offer real-time insights, and cultivate a dynamic and responsive learning environment. This workshop isn't just about technology. It's about empowering teachers with tools that inspire creativity, foster critical thinking, and address individual learning needs. From intelligent tutoring systems to adaptive learning platforms, we'll explore the diverse landscape of AI applications that cater to various subjects and teaching styles. Join us as we demystify AI and demonstrate how it can be seamlessly integrated into your teaching toolkit. Don't miss this opportunity to stay at the forefront of educational innovation, equipping yourself with skills that will not only transform your teaching but also shape the future of learning. Let's embrace the potential of AI together and create classrooms that prepare students for the challenges of tomorrow.